Okay, so I'm getting on my bicycle and going for a ride. Here's my speedometer telling me how fast I am going. And when I first bought the speedometer, I had to input my tire size, so the computer here knows the radius of my wheel, and then it outputs the speed for me. So let's go in for a closer look. There's a sensor on the wheel, that little circular metal piece on my bicycle spoke. Every time it makes a revolution, it passes that black wire, and then it sends a little signal up this black wire to the speedometer. And so the speedometer knows how many revolutions are happening, and it knows the radius of my wheel, and it outputs the speed. So check this out. I'm holding my bicycle in the air, and you can see that it's telling me the speed based solely on the revolutions of the wheel. Okay, so now I'm gonna get into my car, and I'm gonna put it in neutral and just rev the engine. And my speedometer says 0 because I'm not going anywhere. But as soon as I put it into drive, the speedometer goes up. And so what's happening here is there's a little sensor on the wheel of my car that's counting the number of revolutions, and the car is programmed with the radius of my tire. And so the computer behind the scenes combines those two pieces of information, and it outputs the speedometer for me to see.